When you are finished making your own video or recordings, you may need to edit those videos for multiple reasons. Let's say you have made one large and long video of 30 minutes and you need to divide up that video into two 15-minute segments. So for this video segmenting task, you will need the video editing software. Or you may need to add a text, add a watermark to your video. Adding text is basically required to convey additional message to your audience. On the other hand, you simply may need to remove some noise in your video. So to do those video editing tasks, you have to choose a video editing software. While choosing that video editing software, you need to consider various criteria. For example, the ease of accessibility, how easy it is to use the video editing software, whether the video editing software is free or not, and how many features does the video editing software provide. Now in this video, I'm going to talk about a video editing software that is completely free, has lots of features, and is quite simple to use. The name of the video editing software is openshot, and in this video, I'm going to talk about how to install openshot and launch it. First, we are going to download openshot from its website, and then we are going to install it and launch it. So before downloading openshot, press Windows plus R. You have to press both of them together. So press Windows plus R on your desktop. Go to Run menu. This will open the Run menu. In fact, type DXDIAG in it. So once you type this down, hit enter, and a window should pop up, DirectX Diagnostic Tool. And here you can see the operating system you use. Here the operating system, my operating system is Windows 10, and it is a 64-bit operating system. Now this one is crucial. Please remember, you will see either two different numbers here, 32-bit or 64-bit. So I'm using a 64-bit operating system. Now once this is done, open up your browser. Open any browser you have, either Chrome or Firefox or Microsoft Edge. Once you are inside the browser, go to this URL, openshot.org/download. So go to this URL, and here you will find various download options. You can download the software for Linux, you can download the software for OS X, and you can download it for Windows. Now, as you have seen previously, my Windows operating system is 64-bit. So you will have to check it like this too. If you are using 64-bit operating system, you just click this download button, download version 2.5.1. If you are installing for a 32-bit operating system, you have to click here, the 32-bit version. So as I'm using a 64-bit operating system, I'm going to click on this download version 2.5.1. So once clicked, openshot should start downloading. And once the downloading begins, wait for the download to finish. Alright, the download is finished now. Once the download is finished, just click on these vertical three icons. This will pop up a menu. And from this menu, go to this downloads button. Once you are inside the downloads button, you will see your software, the openshot version 2.5.1 exe. This is for Google Chrome. If you are using Firefox, you can just click this button here, and once you click this in the drop down list, you will again see the downloads button, and you will find your downloaded software here. So in this video, I'm using Google Chrome, so I'm going to install it from Google Chrome. So just click this OpenShot version 2.5.1. Once you click this, a pop-up should appear that whether you would allow this app to make changes to your device. So allow it by clicking yes. From this window, choose your language, select English and hit OK. There's a license agreement here. Just click I accept the agreement and hit next. Now in this window, you can choose the directory where you wish to install this thing. Just hit browse, select any folder in your PC. You can choose any folder, go to any directory and choose it. Now, if you are not comfortable with selecting your directory, browsing your directory, then I would recommend to keep it as default. Just keep it as it is. Keep it as the program suggests. And just hit next. If you wish to have a shortcut in your desktop, by desktop I mean this window, if you want to have a shortcut here, just click here. And once everything is done, hit next. And here you will be presented with all the info regarding installation. See this info and just hit install. So now OpenShot, the video editing software, is being installed. You can see the progress bar here. Once the progress bar is full, the installation should complete. Okay, now the progress bar has finished and the installation is complete. Now by default, you can see here is selected launch OpenShot video editor. So if you do not want to launch it immediately, just uncheck this. I'm going to keep it as checked and hit finish. And here is the OpenShot window. We can expand it, and when you launch it for the first time, it will ask you to show some tutorials. So you can either see this tutorial by pressing next, or you may want to just hide the tutorials and see the tutorials we have made. So just hide the tutorials or see it by pressing next. So this is how you launch it immediately after downloading and installing. Alternatively, when you close it down, during later times, just click the start menu again. Click this button at the bottom left here. Click this start icon. Type OpenShot. Once you type this, the OpenShot video editor, this app should appear. So just click it. And once you click it, OpenShot will launch. So this is another way of launching this. And if you add a desktop icon, the OpenShot video editor should appear in your desktop. So you can see here is my OpenShot video editor. This is also situated at the desktop. So just double click with your left mouse button, and again OpenShot window will appear. So this is how you launch OpenShot. You download it first and then launch it. Let me go through the summary once more. So in order to download OpenShot, just go to your browser, go to Google Chrome, Firefox or any other browser, Microsoft Edge, and first go to this link openshot.org/download. Once you are inside the link, first know what operating system you use. You can know it by going to the run option and hitting the X drag. And once you know the version of your operating system, choose the operating system accordingly, whether Mac or Linux or Windows. And if you are using a 64-bit operating system, download this with this button. And if you're using a 32-bit operating system, just click 32-bit here. And then the installer should download. And once downloaded, just follow the instruction of the installer and the installer will install your software. So hopefully this video will make you comfortable in installing OpenShot video editor in your computer. Thank you.